In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer cars from the Crew 2 to the Crew Motorfest. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly import all of your collection from the Crew 2 to the Crew Motorfest. You will be able to transport all of your vehicles over. You just need to make sure that you have a save of the Crew 2 on the same platform where you are playing the Crew Motorfest. So to do this, you will be able to do it in two main ways. When you first open Motorfest on any platform and you go through the settings, you will be able to find the option to import. So the game is going to offer you to choose between importing the vehicle collection that you have on the Crew 2 to the Crew Motorfest, or you have the option to start from scratch. Keep in mind that even if you chose start from scratch, you will still be able to import your collection. But if this is your first time opening up the game, just follow through the instructions and the game is going to give you the option to import your collection from the get-go. If you chose start from scratch, go over to the game options at the left side of the screen, choose Game Settings, and then go all the way down. When you go all the way down on the Game Settings category, you will be able to find Collection Import. And once again, by choosing Import My Collection, you will be able to load up the Crew 2 save that you have on the same platform, and all of the vehicles will be imported over. So the two main ways are going to be when you open the game for the first time and you are just setting it up, going through the main settings and following the instructions on screen, or even after you chose Start from scratch, you just have to go over to the options, choose the game settings, go all the way down, and then import my collection. As long as the save of the Crew 2 is on the same platform and properly activated, all vehicles that you have will go over to the Crew Motorfest. Keep in mind that if you are unable to load up the save, you will have to double check to see if it is located within the same platform and every vehicle is in there to be detected. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer cars from the Crew 2 to the Crew Motorfest. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.